Welcome, welcome, welcome. So today I'm gonna show you guys how I made $1,000 today on US 30. So we're gonna break it down, get into it. Now, the first thing I do is I go on the daily time frame and I look to see what directions market is going in. As you can see, the market is overall in the uptrend right here. So if you draw a trend line, the market is obviously in a trend line making higher highs and higher lows. First thing I do is I mark up my previous days highs and lows. So yesterday was the 25th. On the 25th, I would mark up the highest point and the lowest point, which was these two blue lines. Then I would go on the hourly time frame. Now I look to see if price is in an uptrend or downtrend. As you can see right here, price is heading to the upside, respecting the trend line. So I would go on the 15-minute time frame and I would mark up resistance and support. So as you can see, we have some support right here. Market opens at 9:30 a.m. So I'm gonna mark 9:30 a.m. just so you guys can understand what I'm doing. So 9:30 a.m. is on the yellow line. Go on the hourly time frame, and we're gonna mark up some support zones. As you can see, we have a wick right here, a very strong wick. As you can see, it's getting respected throughout this entire time through yesterday. And we would look for a resistance, which was right here. It's getting respected and it has a lot of touches. Me, I trade on the smaller time frames. I just think it's faster, easier. You get in and out and you make a lot of money still. So I trade normally on the 5 minute and the 1 minute time frame. As you can see, market opens at 9:30. This is what the yellow line is. And I've seen support and I've seen resistance. Now, throughout this whole support and resistance zone, ever since price broke above, price has been rejecting off of resistance, coming back to support, rejecting off of resistance, coming back to support. So I seen price dropped yesterday. You go here on the hourly time frame. Price came to retest these lows and price broke back above. And I saw price respected the same resistance zone and was coming back down to the support zone. So I saw that. I'm going on the 1 minute time frame now. Like I said, I trade on smaller time frames. I want to get in and out. Now I'm expecting price to reject off of this resistance zone and come back down and retest this support zone. And that is exactly what price did. As you can see, price made a trend line, respected it, came back and touched the support zone, waited for price to break structure and break the trend line. And then we get a perfect entry, put our stop loss below recent swing lows and target recent highs. Well, I really targeted the resistance because I didn't know if price was going to break above and keep heading to the upside or it was going to reject again, like what you see right here. But we could have potentially aimed for recent highs. As you see, zoom out, price did come in, hit our TP if we did throughout 11, 12 p.m. But just to play it safe, I went for a 1 to 3, aim for recent resistance. And as you can see, we banged out. We risked $100 today, and we made 3 times that amount, which was a 1 to 3. So we made $300. Easy, easy, easy. All it is was a trend line breakout. As you can see, we draw a trend line right here. The price was respecting our trend line. As you can see, price is moving the trend line to the downside, making lower lows, lower highs, lower lows, and then price rejected the support zone, broke our structure, and broke our trend line. So that was a perfect entry. And then hit our TP. Tap in, go to my Instagram at MotionFX, click the link in my bio. You can learn how to trade. join my Discord and copy these exact trades and make money with me.